In this video, I want to talk about how you can create a Trading 212 account. Now, this is really simple, guys. What I suggest you do is either download the app or head over to trading212.com, come in here and press Open Account. Now, what you need to do now is select the country of your residence. I live in Denmark, so that's what I'm gonna choose. After this, you want to select either Invest account or CFD account. You might be able to select a crypto one depending on your country. And once you've done this, you just want to make your login details. So email and password, check that you accept. You can read these if you wanna, and then simply create account. Now keep in mind, once you've done this, you actually have an account, but you cannot really do anything with it unless you verify it. So once you've created this and logged into your account, you then need to verify that you are who you say you are. So you might need to send in some ID and this sort of stuff. Now, once you've done that, your account will be verified and now you can start investing. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.